morning. It is October the 23rd. It's a Monday. Looking at the markets overnight, most of the agricultural markets are up. Cotton market is up. We've got corn and wheat up. Soybeans right now just a small bit lower. Looking around the board, we've got the energy markets unchanged, the dollar up. Precious metals are down, with copper up a small amount. Let's look at the stock markets. In Asia that's closed, the market was mostly higher with the exception of the Hong Kong exchange, and that market was down 0.64%. Europe is currently trading up, and as I look at the screen, the U.S. markets right now are up a small amount. Important news overnight, really not a lot, but some statements coming out that Trump is indicating that Janet Yellen is in the running for Fed chairman. We really got to kind of question that. The cotton market took off last night, and actually from 4 o'clock this morning to 5 o'clock, this market rallied 100 points. That's traditionally not a time when the market does much of anything. It's usually just resting, waiting for the U.S. market to open. So, to be honest with you, we really don't know what the news is behind this, and it might not be any news. It might be just some technical volume, some technical buying during a low volume part of the day. Grain markets, basically here's the story. Large stocks, strong demand, mixed weather, all factor into the market and lead to a volatile swinging market that could swing up a few days and down a few days until this crop starts to get digested. All right, let's look and see where we are. December cotton up 180 at 68.68, a high of 68.76, a low of 66.89, almost a 190 point range overnight. March cotton is up 166 at 68.43. Let's look at soybeans, down a quarter at 978.5, a high of 981.25, a low of 976. Corn and wheat are up. Corn, not much. Corn up a half at 345, a high of 345.5, a low of 344.25. Wheat is unchanged right now. It was up 426, a high of 427.75, and a low 425.25. Looking at some of the outside markets, crude oil is up 8 at 51.71, and that is in the November crude oil. The dollar's up 26. Gold is down $4 an ounce. Silver's down 11 cents an ounce. We've got the S&P futures up 1.3. Let's reach over and get the calendar and look and see what's happening today. Normally not much. We have the crop progress is the big news for the day. That happens after the market closes. It happens at 3 o'clock Central Time. And that's really the news. Looking around to see if we've got anything else. December cotton up 178. Very big move there. Have doubts that market can push a lot higher, but it can push some higher. So anyone that's got any selling to do, this might be an opportunity to take advantage of. That's it for the day. We'll talk to you later. See you then.